Show you this. Okay, here's what happened this spring. The average temperature, and Cynthia, that's a combination of the low and the high, was 70.9, almost 71 degrees. That's 5 degrees above normal. It's the warmest spring on record when you just look at the average temperature. When you look at just the average high, it was the second warmest spring on record with a temperature of 81 degrees, about 5 degrees above normal. When you just look at the average low, it was the second warmest spring on record with almost 61 degrees. That's 5 degrees above normal. We had our rainfall below normal by 1/3 of an inch, but that's pretty close to normal. We picked up just under 11 inches of rain. And my forecast as we head through meteorological summer, June, July, and August, on average, we see about 8 inches of rain during the summer months here. We're going to go lower than that, less than average for our summer rainfall total. And then what we had all winter, what we had all spring, that's just going to continue. The average temperature in DFW during the summer months, June, July, and August, 84.3 degrees, will be warmer than that. And I know every summer in Texas is hot, but right now all indications are that this will be a summer that's hotter than normal. We average 20 triple-digit days a year. That's the average for us here. It looks like it's going to be hotter than that, triple-digit standpoint, and also a temperature standpoint. There we go. 94 was the high today. The morning low was 75. Both of those numbers are above the normals of 89 and 69 for this date. We've been as hot as 102 on this date back in 1911 and as chilly as 48 back in 1903. Outside right now, it's 94 degrees. It feels like 100 at DFW. We have a southeast wind at 9. Pollen today, fungus and grasses are both on the moderate side. Most of that grass it's made up of Bermuda. Everything else is low. Oak, goosefoot, pine, cottonwood, nettle. Oh my goodness, are you allergic to nettle? Nettle today is low. Sycamore today is on the low side. I have absolutely no idea what nettle is, but I promise before I do the pollen page again tomorrow, I'm going to look it up. Outside right now, nothing other than a few clouds. Here's the forecast tonight. Just a few clouds pass by as we head through the night tonight. There's 7 tomorrow morning. Watch this. Get ready. There's noon tomorrow. So it's dry tonight. It's dry tomorrow morning. Watch what happens tomorrow afternoon. And let me just preface it with this. 80% of North Texas won't see a drop of rain tomorrow, but 20% of you will. Here's noon. Watch that. You see those little thunderstorms? There's 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. You can see the rain, 7 p.m., 8 to 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So there we go. My rainfall coverage for the rest of this week, I have a chance of rain every single day, 10 to 20%. That means 80 to 90% of us won't see any rain at all. That's my forecast for the next 6 days. And here we go. Here are the details for tonight. A little warm, a little humid tonight, 75 for the low. Tomorrow, 95. It'll be a hot day tomorrow. Some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Only 20% of us see that. The next 14 days, I'm going 89 Wednesday, 88 Thursday, 87 Friday, 86 Saturday, and 87 Sunday. And there's that chance of rain every day. Not a great chance, but a chance nonetheless. And then we start to dry out Monday. That's day 7 of the 14 days. And then the final 7, 8 days. The first 6, we have a little rain each and every day. The final 8, not a whole lot of rain in the forecast, but we do have some. So there you go. And I don't have any triple digits in the forecast. Tomorrow's the hottest day out of the next 14 days. We'll have a few others that'll be close to the mid-90s, but that's really, as we head through the first 2 weeks of June, that's really, really not a bad forecast at all. And don't forget, tonight, at 7 o'clock on our sister station, you can watch the Dallas Wings play the Seattle Storm. And if you need to know how to watch this, and many of you may, you can just point your phone right there at that QR code. And we have a step-by-step program on that QR code that tells you how to watch on your old center console tonight at 7 o'clock on KFAA. And if you can't figure that out, Cynthia has promised that she will go to your house and connect your rabbit ears and make that work.